Hey folks, Turbine Guy coming back to you. Now I got a phone call today from Andy, and he's putting his own solar system up on the roof. And he's like, hey, can you come by and give me a few pointers? Heck yeah. So I stopped right by to help out. But look what he's got going. He's got his own special prototype, and for a reason. Now Andy's been working on this prototype right here, and we can see right on the front it says Quality Institute Microgrid. Why don't you tell us what this is?
This is a microgrid unit designed for disaster relief and third world applications, where you take this little box and you have an entire off-grid solution inside here. So you can hook up some panels with the MC4 connectors, and then you hook up a battery with the included battery connectors, and it does everything else inside the box.
Now if you're looking at it, they've got a bunch of different entrances to this box, and these are all waterproof for the wires to run through. And we've got just a pretty generic charge controller in here, but that's all you really need.
And those USBs are great for people who maybe need to plug in an iPad or charge a cell phone or something. That works really good for that. It has a power outlet for, you know,
cigarette lighter.
Yeah, cigarette lighter.
Connection, yeah.
Plug in appliances there. But it's sort of meant to be a small 6-pound solution that you can take anywhere in the world and not be worrying about making soldering connections in really dusty or dirty environments.
Well, you got the electronics all in one package.
Yes, sir.
All you need is a battery and a panel.
And it's open source. So the design and all the parts are open source, so you can make this exact same thing and you can bring it anywhere in the world. What we noticed is that panels and batteries are very heavy, so when you're transporting them, that's not really very feasible. But if you can take the light, components like the wires and the charge controller, you can often buy the panels and the batteries locally wherever you go.
Now, from what I understand, Andy spent 2 years in Africa off-grid. So he got a little bit of experience on this, and he's kind of got an idea what they may need. You know, maybe not just in an emergency, but just to help them get through life. Well, we got an inventor here, bringing his own product to the market.
Version 2.0 might need to be with this guy right here. We'll see.
Hey, look, Turbine Guy is always open-minded to a new solution. Turbine Guy, signing off.